Welcome to Shangfa YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Before we proceed, please save the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's start with Rumbek North clashes. We start in Rumbek North County, Lake State, where 2 people were killed and 7 injured in a violent clash between 2 communities. The fighting happened on Monday between the Pakam community and the Nyang area. Local officials say the conflict started after a girl eloped with a man. Police tried to calm the situation, but violence followed. The commissioner of Rumbek North, Mr. Machol Kol, said that 2 people died, 7 were injured, and 1 girl also died during the shooting. Several young men were wounded. He explained that elder, chief, and community leader had reached a peaceful agreement earlier. They agreed that the man who eloped with the girl would pay the dowry. The girl returned home safely, and both families seemed ready for peace. But unexpectedly, a group of young men from another area decided to fight, breaking the peaceful agreement. The commissioner said this fight has nothing related to the elopement. It is a misunderstanding from young men who refuse peace. The authorities have arrested several suspects who tried to run away after the attack. It is sad to see young people, destroying peace that elders have already established. 1 girl eloped, but instead of letting the families resolve the issue peacefully, choose violence. Many times in South Sudan, our problems start small but grow big because people refuse dialogue. Residents of Pakam say they want government force deployed, chief empowered, young men discouraged from taking the law into their own hands. Others fear more violence if a strong intervention does not come quickly. This incident shows a bigger problem, revenge culture. A small dispute turns deadly because communities don't trust each other. Young men move in groups, weapons are available, elder decisions are ignored. If youth continue to follow emotion instead of elders, peace will remain difficult in South Sudan. Torit night curfew. We move to Eastern Equatorial State, where the governor of Torit, Lois Lobong Lojer, has imposed a night curfew after an attack on an SSPDF soldier. The attack happened on Monday evening near Itirikwa Payam. According to security officials, 1 SSPDF soldier from Division 7 was shot and killed. Army men ambushed him. The governor quickly ordered a curfew from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, and police are now deployed across Torit town. Officials say the attackers are believed to be from the SPLA-IO Agwele forces, who recently split from Dr. Riek Machar. The state government claimed the attackers are hiding in the bushes near Torit and may have support from people within the town. The security advisor said the Agwele forces were expelled recently. Once removed, crime increased. However, SPLA-IO spokesman Lampol Gabriel denied this. He said the IO has no presence in Torit and they are being blamed wrongly. He said, "We have no forces there. The government must investigate before accusing us." The curfew has affected transport, shop, boda rider, night markets, students who attend evening program. Many residents fear moving at night while others welcome the curfew, calling it a necessary step to prevent a revenge attack. The Tuareg situation shows how fragile peace still is. Whenever something happens, people quickly point fingers. Government blame SPLIO. SPLIO blame local army group. Communities blame each other. Without clear communication and trust, accusation only increase tension. Let's move on to 2026 election deadlock. Civil society leader Edmund Yakani, head of SEPO, say the country is facing a political deadlock. He warned that without real action, election might not happen in 2026. The revitalized peace agreement require a new constitution, security arrangement, a census, unified forces, electoral law, a clear roadmap, but none of these are fully completed. Yakani say the political leader must stop giving promises, start real implementation, speak honestly to the public. If elections are not prepared well, South Sudan may experience renewed political conflict, increased tension, citizens losing trust, confusion over leadership in 2026. He listed major issues: no completed constitution, no census, delayed unification of forces, no clear agreement on decision timeline. Political parties are not prepared, fear of violence during elections, government institutions not ready. He said leaders should form a national election committee, engage civil society, involve youth and women, speak honestly about delayed, avoid giving false hope, work together instead of blaming one another, push for national dialogue, commit to peaceful transfer of power. He also warned that leaders who delay the election for personal interests are risking the future stability of the country. Ulang Nasa border tension. Fear rises after report of criminal element in the area. Moving to Apanal, the Ulang and Nasa border region is facing new security fear. Local sources report that unknown army men are moving around the border of Balit, Ulang, and Nasa counties. These reports come only day after the deadly attack in Adong Payam of Balit County, where more than 57 civilians were killed by army group believed to have crossed from nearby counties. Although officials from Molang and Nasr have not confirmed involvement, the presence of army criminals in the region is causing fear. Many families are leaving their villages at night and sleeping in the bush for safety. Some locals say the criminal might be revenge group, others say they might be cattle raider. There is also suspicion that the army men might be youth group escaping military pressure from other counties. County administration in Upper Nile asked the national government to deploy more police and conduct a full investigation. Ulang has experienced repeated insecurity for many years. Youth group border conflict and political tension contribute to instability. Families continue living in fear, especially at night. Humanitarian workers warn that any new violence will disrupt aid delivery, special food and medication for vulnerable people. Here, let's look at this. Within Wulang, according to the report, about going to Malakal was ambushed, and 15 Nuer individuals were killed on the boat. 15 of them, according to the report. The people there report that The boat was carrying passengers from Nuer community when they were ambushed and killed on the spot. This is a developing story. We will hear more information after a verified report come out. Mal biya kamal gwasame ka shang fa YouTube channel ban right ketin content lat karodian. Lernya ban kwen gwasame ban right no ka dora shal kemerum bek. Chala den wo dora shal kerum bek a shanero sha connecting kane dang baro to take a boat. Kore me toga kam ne tichi nyal shekwal. Chala do ne kerum bek North County Lake State chanero shaganek ne dang baro de take a boat dit. No. Ka kore me tuoga ka kor ke mi shinada wa te ka nyam cha kwal nyamo wa gente ka community kel ga kan lead section wa kan nyenyo ka dor chal ka pakam community. According to statements information wulu malwal jala do ne mishir kana me che tuo ko sha nyal cha ja kwal nu gwado mo chi family de chi kana lugo no cha nya den kwalo chi kan nya de ni kana no chu kor chu tuok. Mi kor cha tuoko ni cha tana cha mu ka bot kane ro tichliu. Dor shal karum beg state hospital cha ka nang tine lo kane ko na jiboni. Minister malwal shana cha ga jogo no na pala rodun pin ye ga no de na de karurian na karo. Chicken kum jogo no yare community ka awa dur kenyam chikari linga lo de kana lat ka pinya lamgwa chinere ko na ta nyal chi nya de kana kan ku de dana shi kwal. Mshai no ngoni chui nyur lo de chulane je lo de wuda mo mi nyal kwal kenyam der nyal der je kwen lo der chu yoro okpin in state chete kane ko kintin kane kon te kashi man nyal chikan ngong no kor kane kon te nya den che kwal kane na moni dual ke telus ka chi kor to nyok ajen gwa dan wona rawo ke lutin kane dang de te ka bot cha tana cha ke bukume. Dor shal ka me tori chala do si kware no Eastern Korea State she kan jalwar chi kan ngok to ka ta bakel la 6 pm wona karun wang cha goro brand jal bawar ka kwadi dan me chana sha kanak me cha deputy police inspector cha jana Captain John Camilo cha na ka jen Wednesday ka war. Government spokesperson Mario Arbitre Chelarno Michet kana me cha jala da kuma ko logo jeno bi korbu ko wodniam cikani go jeno ngwano tarambe jalre wich en winemi ko cha gorno domba te karing butok neten kono ya gwaintin chala do wich na cikan ganak kuma SPLIO duno shi kuma SPLIO cikane denied kan na me she tok kan ne tel ne de ten winemi Eastern Equatoria kan ne go jeno de kane jidwar ko kene kan de kono na kana jena kene telene officer michine nak but kume point de kene tin kondong te kare kene ken chika wachone ka jawran kalat gwasmene. They say they did not kill one officer, instead they say government force attacked them first and lost 10 soldiers in the clash. Kene shaka mak cha nagne dangwel kene kume spilayo no jena kene kene kume marai ke kimyadi kan kana mak. Ke two different story can take a joran chalat ke jeng chi chala do ne content wen mo wa china ti dwal ko de kan jal ka wer ko ndor kor wa der ler shi tuoga kam ne ken karodian but ko cha bu gino dong te ji dwar ten wen mo jendan non kor civil society group chi kala do situation be je long rai wishing winami ka jokan bo side ne ji dwar kan ji wich ano chicken civilian chicken gade na ke chicken gade amatin gwade cha Captain Camilo cha naktin na mo wacha dual che no ngani ren konen tere wich are reak point shin aren barten ka war changara motor mitin teleje cha tukni aga kan dial ere kontel la motorcycle la ger la bodboda ride kan dial chicken ngeni ngana gak ne to wan lo taram le jalga war cha jomo cha jala de ken dar shal kame wulang che tigrim chi tok tum chi me chi kona ngach cha ne ti chop ke jen badu ngwan cha kan nak dor chol ka baliet ke jen were pai wo she helicopter cha bok cha nwer cha ka bok kenyal wala bete nyoko jojo gwano te ke michi jen la bon mi jen ka ulang lo we dio je we ka nasser we ka malakal ambo de mo wa cha je peda drop ne dang wal di te kare de ka jawran chalat ke je wa ne dang wal di to cha kan kan dial ke ne to ne so bana full report ban jojo gwadran na chingwan churen latin but ke je report me chala do cha ne to cha kan kare ri ai kana na confirm and verify report ne me but bana tin konto bana ka je ka gwasan be wari ka mori mchitwok no cha bude mo cha jam bush and boat ne de kon jel ji de ngai wi keno dong cha ga de nak ke taram mo me de bar no ka jen chang wal ne me cha jojo gwano cha bude mo cha jo ma kan dera mo ka cha bude mo cha nak jen jo dan cha la no ne cha community nuari cha report mo cha jen no kan no chi ne ti ro ya nak ka nak ne tin kontin la jang tin de ka baliet ka tiang chana buk dor shal ke domak de ni SSPDF ke helicopter son wala chire ga me chala to no ene me kel ler ne chanyo mulat ka gwasa me mishala Ramadan la civil society activist Edmund Yakani ka kwi national election shela no national election tetong wana kalat la national election la queen kwar mo balat ke 2026 jene tetong wana kalat ku kuje mo gorne dialo de karen commit ko de queen kwar jalat but queen kwar cha eblat bang makan ti dialo kono gor ko makan ko kon la let che jomo che jalat jene kenyam constitution de ja kon tu kalani misha constitution cha tuk aden akulo kalatin kokien kala to shit ka permanent constitution me atuk den aku unification of force la man de india de mat gwaskel ka nyok de census de jelat la queen I mean la queen not now de pegin de je queen ko population kana la population census kana kolat so retine ka tela lat ke mi shaga la yon den buka na kula bot ban makan ga kon lat tele do mo de mal dare ben gaje so yok Edmund Yakani na no de kwaran content when mo de kan me de kan lat ko che gwano dong de which de la loy kore nyok kata dan chalat gaje gorga jeno de ti de kari aleka ko de na de kan lat ka do dan de mal dare ben gaje so cha jo me cha jala de kan leran joga bane nyakel gwaz me bala man danan tok chirmen ko ling won kor danan tok dor shal ke me ulang so ulang to koretin okay kor me ka jang kon la jang balet chi ke jen she can ben gwaz shal ke do ma che men shaling but serious report ta danan sha bu chai na ka jan so ko bu cha janak bu jenda chiram ngai kon no nuare chicken ling sometime cause me cha wo to trick ten la tet ne la wona kan ka wa de no dong de ren kap chong ko me cha na ju no ne me rek ja ten china de de na chung but kana ling so me ju bo te je no ka to ran cha lat ke je te ne dang wal di te gre de ka cha ga na ka ne dang wal di je to ne so ne me sad news ke report be be bana ta na ke le ban je lingwa da na sha report me full cha je no ko ta mu da ka report ke le ka nan but ta da na cha share ke je ne dial kon la nuere ko gor kon ban te kon to ko na ngaje long ene mi to ko ba je di linga na so ti ke te to te be batch ka to kan ka community dan kon lo gor kan kon dial so jo me gor jano de nya ye khel me jira me jidit gwasa me ka shang fa YouTube channel gor no jin be subscribe ka bi notification bell wi je twine ko mite mishala rai gwasa me ba mala shube keje ko bitin diala kon lat ko rodien shen kori kana mal weekend bu mala linge wona katen ko kenen konde ko nang niam ko se diala retine go bi ne dial bukan ling misha take information misha ben ana bi jamala je ku gwasa me lam ni shar wala am ja tobi ka gware ka door bi comment ka bi share ka ta dan dai share ga ko ba ya kula ne ko kenan your person ka shan fa YouTube channel an biya ta ga mal ban ji kala radiyan bye bye.